Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove search engines from the Google Chrome web browser. So just want to remove unwanted search engines, and they have been added by third-party applications with or without your knowledge, or may have slipped by the form of an installer for another application, and then it asks, do you want to change your default search engine to XYZ? And then a lot of people unknowing them accept those changes. I show you guys how to change that. First open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings guys. On left side select search engine. On right side manage search engines and site search. Click on this drop down. You just need to scroll down. Under search engines you can able to see lots of search engine listed over here. So if you want to delete search engine in this list, you just need to click on this three dot icon and select delete it guys. It will confirm you for deleting it. Click on delete and it will be removed from this list guys. After that so if you want to change your search engine in address bar, search engine used in the address bar, I show you guys how to change that. Click on this drop down and select the search engine you want in Google Chrome guys. Select Google or any other search engine you want it. I'm gonna prefer for Google, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.